So, good day everyone. We are the Group 8. We are tasked to report about intensive interview or in-depth interview. So, intensive interview are basically a combination or amalgam of one-on-one person interview approach. They are used in gathering extremely detailed information from a small sample of respondents. So, it means intensive interview is a combination of two person which is ang researcher o ang respondent. So, the use of this interview is to gather extremely detailed information from the respondents to the researchers because it is used for the research. Ang gather nga information sa researcher gikan sa respondents is magamit niya sa research. So, the aforementioned qualitative methodology is unique for following reasons. First is it is generally used in smaller samples. Second, it provides detailed information about the reason why respondents give specific answers. So it is used, di ba gana gibalik-balik jud akong ingon nga the use of this intensive interview is to provide detailed information kay kuan ug unsay mag-gather nila nga data sa ilang interview is magamit nila sa research. That's all.
In addition lang no to this discussion about intensive and in-depth interviews is that the goal of intensive or in-depth interviews is to hear what the respondents think about the important of the topic and also to hear it in their own words. Ang intensive or in-depth interviews is that it allows for lengthy observation of respondents non-verbal. And also, it is usually very long. Unlike sa personal interviews used in surveys that may last for a few minutes and for a few just dali ra siya mahuman, while sa intensive interviews may last for very long time, or it is time consuming, or it takes a few hours to finish. And also it is tailored fit to individual respondents. Ang intensive interviews are permit interviewers to frame questions based on the each participant's response. That's all.
So good afternoon everyone. Good afternoon sir. I am the next reporter for Mr. Lambuhan. Just continue discuss to about intensive interview and deep interviews. So the tone of the interview may have an impact. The type of rapport that is built between the interviewer and the interview determines whether or not an extensive interview is successful. The method used to define the issue: choose and recruit participants, gather and analyze data, and perform this type of interview are similar to those used in face-to-face interviews. However, the following are the main distinction between personal and extensive interviews. The volume of data gathered is substantial. Consequently, it could take several weeks or months to analyze the result. And that's all. Thank you.
Okay, so to continue about the discussion is, interviewers experience fatigue and boredom. As such, interviews have to be scheduled several hours apart, which makes the data collection longer. So, siyempre, as interviewers, mga tao po na sila, no? So, kanang maka-experience mo na sila og kakapoy. So, that makes the research or the interviews make longer. Kanang mapataas siya, bakit siyempre magpahulay-pahulay pa. So, delay siya kanang continue ang pag-interview, pag-conduct sa interview. So, next. It is quite difficult to arrange intensive interviews owing to the time required, especially when respondents are professional. So, if kanang professional imuhang kuan, ang imuhang respondents is dili mo kay imong kanang basta-basta lang og kanang interview na niya, need na nimo siya og kanang proper questions, proper way sa pag-interview bitaw. So, lisod siya kay need pa nimo siya i-arrange ang pag step by step sa mga pangutana. Next, small samples do not allow for generalization to the target population. So if kanang gamay nga sample is dili na siya nga makapakuan nga kanang di na siya nga answer sa imong kuan sa imong interview sa imong kanang gina-target nga population bitaw kay syempre gamay ra kay na siya kanang dili na siya nga murag mauna na itubag kung unsa ang tanan, dili na mo siya matanan bitaw sa tibuok population.
Intensive interviews. One advantages from using this methodology has to do with the numerous details it provides. Accordingly, it can provide more accurate responses on sensitive issues due to the rapport between the respondents and the interviewer. So ang advantage sa intensive interviews is it can provide more accurate responses on sensitive issues because due to the report of the respondents and the interviewer makaingon ta og kuan kanang accurate kayo ang iyang response because as we define in intensive interviews, it is a kuan intensive interview is a one-on-one, we call this one-on-one personal interview approach. So one-on-one, so silang duha mismo sa respondent sa interviewer ang mag question and answer. So advantage pud siya kay because intensive interviews is tailored to fit individual respondents. So it means individual responses. So kung ang questions is tailored to fit individual respondents, it means lain questions and more accurate ang iyang mahatag nga information. And then more to yung advantage, and it can provide more accurate responses on sensitive issues. And on the negative side, generalizability of the results is sometimes a problem in as much as intensive interviewing is typically undertaken with a small non-random sample. So generalizability daw sa aning intensive interviews is negative because it is only taken with a small sample, diba, ang intensive interviews. That's why ang intensive interviews has a problem on generalizability because gamay naman ang sample nga gikuha and it can't represent the overall to sa community. For example, study tas about community or studies about our community or sa school. If ang atong approach is intensive interviews sa pag-collect sa data is generalizability of that data is a problem because ang sa intensive interviews mo ang gamay ra tong kuhaon nga sample size because ang intensive interview is taas kayo, diba? Taas kayo siya. It's a long process kay as we discuss kanina, ang intensive interviews ko is it usually takes hours, diba? So if daghan imong kuhaon nga sample duay mo man, so ang sa intensive interview gyud kuha niya kay small sample ra gyud. So mo na sapod ka negative sa intensive interviews because small ang sample nga yang ikuha and it has a problem in generalizability. Kaduha, so intensive interviews prone to interviewer bias as the respondents becomes too familiar with the interviewer. So when we say intensive interview kay kuan magud ang atong sample ani kay atong respondents is ato ng mga known bitaw nato, mga kaila, and it leads to it leads to interviewer bias. And when we say interviewer bias, ang interviewer becomes bitaw kanang kana bitaw example kanang imbis na kato nga questions is tailored to para sa iya ha, and dili na kay decide ka nga dili lang ka mangutana ani kay base ma-offend unya siya, so that becomes interviewer bias. And next is analysis of the data collected has problems. So when we say analysis of the data collected, so sa intensive interview man good is ang atong data nga makulik ani is not cannot be man god, cannot be numerically what we call this kanang, so ang data collected man god sa intensive interviews is cannot be interpreted with numbers, and that's why ang pag-analyze sa data collected is very difficult because it is only sometimes ang pag-interpret sa data sa mga sa mga researchers is pag ila na i-interpret ang data collected is sometimes dili na mao dili na nun mao ang response sa respondents nga ilang gi-interpret, na lahi na noon ang pasabot sa ilang pag-interpret sa data. And that's why it has problems because lisod ba kayo kanon sa nimo pag tugma ang data nga imong na-collect, because bisin pag same question na siya pero lahi man gud og paglantawng, lahi sila opinions and lahi sila answers, dili man gud nato maingon nga right na dili man na siya lahi na po na siya, dili na siya intensive interviews. Ang intensive interviews man gud kay katong mga answers nga kuan kanang what we call this answers nga naka-sentence gyud. And also ang mga respondents man gud uses lahi lang utok, so they uses different words in answering the questions. So mo to ang iyang disadvantage, and that's all. Thank you.